I'm on a roll today, but oh, I should have done my makeup first to film this, but I'm just ready to go. So I don't want to wait anymore. So this is from Wicked Widow Beauty. All of these packages, same. I got it like the 3rd or 4th week of January. So it's been a while since I've had these and I haven't opened it yet. I want a giveaway from them December, but then they shipped on January. So yeah, I was excited to win this because if you like Edward Scissorhands, the movie, you're gonna love this. So it's exciting. So that's the packaging. It's blue, very wintry. So I like it. Yeah, can I need it? Oops. Yeah, that's the brand Wicked Widow. So. Ooh, it's here. So yeah, I love that movie. Any Johnny Depp movie I'm gonna watch. He's fine, so I don't care if he's old. Yeah, I gotta chill. So let me open this. Okay. Have y'all seen the tea of him and the crazy ex-girlfriend he had? Oh my gosh, that'll be a cool story time. But anyways, so this is the palette. Look how pretty it is. Míralo, qué chulo. I'm done. But yeah, I didn't think I was gonna win, but I won. So I'm just gonna open it carefully because I don't wanna ruin the packaging. I don't like these type of packaging because I have to rip the corners and then it ruins it, because I can't open it normal. I can't without it ripping. That kind of hurt. Okay, finally. So this is the cover. It's the same. Wow. It's blue and wintry and fresh and sparkly. These are my colors: blues, greens. These are my colors. I love these colors. And I love that it has more matte than shimmer and blue. Oh my god. We're just missing the red and the yellow. But these, oh, blending is a secret. Yes. Even though I don't blend a lot. But anyways, I love the packaging. It's the snowflakes. Wow. I just love the packaging. So yeah, who else loves the movie? I do. Alright. Never mind. Maybe another story time. But yeah, that's basically it. But I remember in the picture she had her whole collection, like all her liquid lipsticks or glitters of this collection, but I didn't receive it. I thought I was gonna receive everything. So, yeah, because it's just squishy spaghettis. Yeah, just spaghettis. Yeah, no hay nada más. So that's all for today. So I'm so grateful, even though it's just a palette. The picture looked like it had more stuff, though. I don't know, that's strange. But then maybe I don't know, I'm tripping or something. But so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.